Munich in Germany is currently experiencing a substantial snowfall, with some areas accumulating up to 44 centimeters of snow by the end of the day. On day one of this snowy event, structures, including trees and rooftops, faced challenges due to the increased load. The consequences of this snowfall were significant. Approximately 760 flights were canceled at the airport, leading to travel disruptions. The central train station closed for arrivals, causing further transportation issues. Many drivers found themselves stranded on city roads, prompting local residents to seek alternative means of travel. Bayern Munich reported the postponement of a football match due to the weather conditions. Public transport, including city buses and trams, was halted, affecting the routine commute of residents. Metro and regional train lines also experienced disruptions. This December snowfall set a record for the highest snow depth, creating challenging conditions over the weekend. The heavy snowfall resulted in significant snowdrifts around parked cars and bicycles, while rooftops and trees bore the weight of up to half a meter of accumulated snow.